Let's make soup. Here's what you'll need. First, wash your hands with soap and warm water. Rinse produce with cool water. Peel, quarter, and de-seed the squash. Cut into 1/2-inch cubes. Chop the onion. You'll need 3/4 of a cup. Peel and chop the carrot. Chop the celery. Mince the garlic. Heat the oil on medium. Add onion, celery, and carrots. Saute 5 minutes. Add garlic and cook for 1 minute. Add the squash. Bring to a slow boil. Let it simmer about 45 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the rest, plus some salt to taste. Simmer 5 minutes. Winter squash contains a lot of fiber, which keeps our gut healthy. Squash can also help reduce inflammation. This recipe comes from MSU Extension. Enjoy!